There's a puzzle round every corner, through every door. In every riddle, there must be something more.
Good morning, guys. As you can see, we're a little bit done because of the hike from yesterday. It was around about 7 hours. It was worth it, but it was tough. So sorry that we didn't pick up the camera yesterday evening, because we just hiked down the valley another 2 hours and then drove here, had some dinner, and then just went to bed because we were totally done. And now this morning we're going to a little sunrise session to see Yosemite Valey lighting up. That should be pretty epic, and that's what we're doing now, and that's where we're walking to our car at 6 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. 6 a.m. So let's go to the car, drive up the mountain, and hope we get a good spot. And good morning from our little shooting spot this morning. Here are already a few people with a camera, even it's super early in the morning. And let's have a look if we find a good spot. This is the tunnel view. From here straight to there, and up there the sun should come up, hopefully in a few seconds.
Yeah, there you can see a little bit.
Oh yeah, you have some sunrise over there. See? So it's coming slowly. So let's try to get a little time lapse till the sun comes up. This was an epic sunset. Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Not a sunset. Whew. So, back to the car and up to the Glacier Viewpoint. So, we're on the way to Glacier Point, and we just found this place here, and the view is really stunning, and you can see the two waterfalls we were hiking yesterday. So, at first, look at that. Isn't that incredible? And down there, this is the first waterfall where we went up, and this one is the second waterfall. So tiny, but when we were down there, so big and hard to climb. And welcome to the Glacier Point. Next up, we had an amazing view in between. Claudia took some epic shots. I will show you one of them here. And now we're just going straight over there. There. And hope that we find there. Where's the focus? There. And hope to find there a good view.
Yeah.
So, let's go. So we're here. I don't know what this point is actually called. I think Glacier Point is over there. But we have here this, how do you call that? Binocular. And you can watch with that thing over there on the mountain. And you actually can see the people walking up there. That's super crazy. This mountain over there is around about 3,400 meters high. You can hike it if you're into that, but we will not do that. So going over to Glacier Point finally now. This was Glacier Point. Really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
That was really, really great. And especially when you're here in the morning hours and you still have the sun in front of that, super great. Because, little tip, when you go do photography, always try to shoot those pictures against the sun, not with the sun, because when you shoot with the sun, it's just the colors are not that good and don't pop, and you don't have that great contrast in your shots. So, going back to the car, driving back to the lodge, maybe eat something, because I'm really hungry, and this one becomes really hangry when she doesn't get something to eat in the morning. And then maybe rent some bikes, driving through the valley and see what we else can find. So, back to the car, and we will jump down straight to the lodge. In 3, 2, 1, and we're back at the lodge. Just bought some groceries, some good old popcorn.
And salad.
And salad. And now we go up. Little toilet break, and then have a look what we do with the rest of the day. So, we pick up the camera sometimes later. First. Okay, open those doors. Huh? Okay, more locks. Jesus, mother. Those doors. So, we decided we want to rent a bike. Yeah, bike.
Yeah.
A bike for around about an hour. Then go back. And then we checked out a spot. Where is it? This way. We checked out the spot where we can maybe shoot some nice evening pictures. So let's find those bikes, and then we will see. I think there, wherever. So we will see what we can find. And we totally forgot to show you our view from our balcony. We will show you later straight from the balcony, because this is our hut where we're living. But look at that. Straight at our balcony, the Yosemite waterfall. Good shots. So let's find those bikes. As you can see, we're walking. Okay, my friend. Because bikes are for 1 hour $30, and for the whole day 60, and that's more expensive than renting a car. So we decided just to go for a walk and have a look at Yosemite waterfall, and the upper waterfall maybe at 2, if we can see it. So we go and look if we can find it. Just a place with not so many tourists here. So do the hike we did yesterday to the waterfalls. There will be way less people. So guys, we made it here to our last spot in Yosemite, what we will shoot, and that's over there, the half dome. And what's special here is that the sun goes down straight on the other side. So because he drops behind the rocks, only the tip will have sun, and the rest will be complete in dark. And that's one of the common heroic shots you can do here in Yosemite. That's why we do it. And after that we go back to the room, eat, and tomorrow morning is leaving day. So I'm turning off. I'm switching to a little time lapse on this GoPro, and then see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.